that with the X lookup formula as well, and this is going to be an approximate match because these numbers are not going to exactly match these, but if I find which is the closest to these numbers, then I just want to find the one which is smaller than the number in case there is no exact match. So I use the X lookup formula. This becomes my lookup value. My lookup array would be these values here, and my return array would be the commission. Now at this point in time, if I hit enter, it is going to give an error because this is an exact match. So if I hit enter, it gives me this error because it is looking for this exact match and it cannot find it. So what I need to do is tell XLOOKUP that this is not an exact match, this is an approximate match. So I would go to the next argument. If not found, you can specify this to be 0 if you want, or you can leave it blank. And in the match mode, you specify that in case you cannot find an exact match, go to the next smaller item. And now when I hit enter,